Today, 7 October, Tapcoin Daily Bounty. What is today? Code. At first click terms and I search first card DEX. Choose DX and click. One card open. Now I search second card 50% attack. I will choose second card, click and open. Now I will search third card. At first click blockchain. Now search third card. Atom blockchain. Now select, click and open. Three card open.